Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about changing your YouTube thumbnail after you've uploaded, or perhaps for an existing video that's already on your channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select your user profile icon at the top right. Go ahead and left click on that, and then go down and select YouTube Studio. On the left side, select the Content tab, and then in the Videos field, you can search for your video by selecting the filter and then title. Go ahead and type in the video title. You can also search by description as well. And once you locate the video on here, and you want to just go ahead and left click on the thumbnail for the video or select the Details button that appears. And where it says thumbnail, you go ahead and select the auto-generated option. That'll give you 3 different previews here to select from. However, if you want to upload a custom thumbnail, you can go ahead and select the upload file. And you would need to go ahead and actually verify your account with your phone number in order to use that feature. And then once you've done that, you would be able to actually upload a JPEG or PNG file from your desktop and then upload it as the video thumbnail. And then once you're done, you would select the Save button up here, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.